Today our chapter of discussion is basic terms regarding the pharmacy. First we included what is pharmacy, then second is homeopathic pharmacy, third is pharmaceutical product, fifth is drug, sixth is standardization, seventh is preservation, eighth is remedy, then ninth is our medicine, then pharmacodynamics, pharmacokinetics, pharmaconomy, and pharmacopoeia, then pharmacopraxy, toxicology. So what is homeopathic pharmacy? Before knowing to the homeopathic pharmacy, first we know what is pharmacy. Pharmacy is a art. It is an art and a science of collecting, combining, preparing and preserving standardization of a drug. What does mean collecting? Means when we prepare a drug or medicine, we have to collect from the alkaloid or anything which is necessary for our medicine preparation. We should collect. So first we should collect, then combining. What should means combining? Means we combine, means if we take a alkaloid, then we alkaloid of a crude drug, then we mix with vehicle. So this is this part is combined with this part, so it is named another part is combining. Then after combining we prepare the medicine. So this is the preparation. Then when we prepare a medicine, we should preserve it, and for preservation we keep it in a jar from the sunlight, avoiding sunlight, or then standardizing. What does mean standardizing? For the dispensation. After preservation we match with the pharmacopoeia, given pharmacopoeia of homeopathy. Its quality and quantity is compared with that pharmacopoeia. Then after the standardization, that is called standardization, after this standardization we dispense the medicine. So this is the way and this is the part which belongs to the pharmacy. Then second term is our homeopathic pharmacy. Just as the pharmacy, homeopathic pharmacy is same, but here the one new term is homeopathy. So what is homeopathic pharmacy? It is art and science of collecting, combining and preparing, preserving and standardization of drugs and medicines from the vegetable, animal, mineral and certain physiological substances and morbid substances according to the homeopathic principle, and also dispensing the medicine according to the prescription of a homeopathic physician. So here the new terms what we found, that vegetable, animal, mineral and substance from which we prepare the drugs only. Then certain physiological substance. So what are the physiological substance which we taken as a preparation of a medicine? Just as our saccharose. In saccharose we take the examples of saccharose are just as we take the endocrine secretion of certain animals or certain substances, and with morbid substance means disease substance. What does means disease substance? Just as nodules. And we prepare the medicine not by any other proposition, but by the according to the homeopathic principle, and also dispensing the medicine by prescription of the homeopathic physician. Means the prescription where we where mentioned that the definite proportion of a medicine should mixed with the definite proportion of vehicle to prepare the dispensing medicine. So this is the thing which goes under the homeopathic pharmacy. Third point of discussion is pharmaceutic. What does it mean? Means the art of preparing of a medicine, that include our pharmaceutic. Means when we prepare a medicine, this process or the art is known as pharmaceutic. Then pharmaceutical. The fourth point is pharmaceutical. What does it mean? Means the here pharmaceutic is the art, means a process. Pharmaceutical means a chemical which used in the preparation, use, sale of drugs and medicine is known as a pharmaceutical. Pharmaceutical product, we generally come across the term named as pharmaceutical product, means the chemical or the product which are used in the preparation, use, sale of drugs and medicines. Last one is fifth one is drug. Drug is a controversial word. Many scientists, many person give many opinion about drug. So first, so in this video, I only take the definition of a drug according to the Drug and Cosmetic Act. What does it means? Means the drug is a substance or all the medicine, all preparation intended for internal and external use for the cure and relief and prevention of disease in living bodies is known as a drug. Standardization, the term which we come across before that, it is a last step of the homeopathic pharmacy definition. So what does it mean? Standardization, the after preparation of a homeopathic medicine after the preparation of a homeopathic medicine, what happened? The standardization means in this process should maintained. Why? To check the quality control of the medicine. So why it is so much important? Because GMP or good manufacturing practices cannot be satisfied unless until the standardization procedure to be maintained. Means GMP, what is it? It is a act or it is a practice which is mentioned in the Homeopathy Pharmacy Act that all the medicines should satisfied by GMP, then it could be dispensed in the dispensary center. So if the medicine is not standardized, then it is not be GMP verified and it can't be dispensed in the medicine store. So standardization meaning that after the preparation of a homeopathic medicine, the process should be maintained because to control quality control of the medicine. Then preservation is nothing but it is the process in which the medicine substance is protected from the sunlight, and so that the distortion of the medicine do not occur or decomposition of the medicine do not occur. To avoid that, we go through the preservation process. Remedy, what does it mean? Remedy, according to the aphorism 3, it is an indicated medicine is the remedy. Remedy is a indicated medicine. So what does it means? Means its definition should we write that if a medicine is administered to a patient according to the symptom similarity to perform cure is called remedy. Means what does it means? Means the when we give a medicine to a patient according to their symptom and similarity, because homeopathy is based on always symptom and similarity of the disease or the symptom and similarity, so that we can perform a medicine to cure the patient is called remedy. Example is our short acting remedy is belladonna. What it causes? When acute case of the belladonna, when acute case is present by the patient, we use as a short acting remedy, that is our belladonna. So that is our remedy. What is remedy? Its definition and example, and its remedy is discussed in the aphorism number 3, that it is a indicated medicine is known as remedy. Then medicine, what does it mean? Medicine definition. After remedy, we go towards the second term, that is medicine. Medicine is a prepared from the medicine is the substance. It is substance which prepared from the drugs, various substance or from the drugs according to fixed principle which is proved, reproved and verified. Means before we discussed the drug is what? Drug is nothing but it is according to drug and cosmetic rule we discuss, but we know that a drug is a substance from which medicine is prepared. It is a general knowledge. After medicine preparation, what does it mean? That it is a substance which is prepared from drugs according to the fixed principle which is proven and reproved and verified. That is known as medicine. This substance is known as medicine. Then pharmacodynamics. What does it mean? It is a branch of science which deals with what? The action of medicine on the human being or animal or plants. Means the living organism. Branch of science which deals with the action of medicines in or on the living being such as human being, animals, plants. That is our pharmacodynamics. Means only the action is only act on the living organism or living being. Then the pharmacokinetics means the kinetics, its name itself says that the moving substance. Then it is the branch of pharmacology which deals with the drug. Means here the medicine, the action of the medicine. Here we mainly focus the word which is action of the medicine. But in the pharmacodynamics, which deals with the fate of a drug on the human body and a animal. Or pharmacodynamics, what it says that it is the symptom which drug produces on the healthy organs according to the doses. That is known as pharmacodynamics. Prepare a drug. After the pharmacodynamics, when drug proving, this term is mainly come across. What does it means? We discussed before. Then we go towards the pharmacokinetics. Means dynamics is the action of medicine on the living body, but kinetics is the role of a drug in the body. Means body handles the drug. That is the role of drug in the body. That's the drug. That drug preparation. That is the pharmacokinetics. Then posology. Paracelsus says that anything in the nature is a poison. So the poison is everything, nothing without poison. So doses make the poison to remedy. Means the poison, the doses is the substance, doses is the thing which makes the poison into remedy. So the posology says that it is an important division of pharmacology which mainly deals with the study of doses. Doctrine of doses or study of doses is deals with posology. Then pharmacognosy means what does it mean? Pharmacognosy, the science of identification of drugs. So science of identification of a drug. What is its scope? That the the person which knows the pharmacognosy is known as a pharmacologist. Means the person or the scope of a pharmacologist is that it is confined, that it is select that whether the drugs from the vegetables origin or the animal origin. Means he characterized the various species of the plants and their gross cellular structure which are means to identify so that we can prepare the medicine. So he can concern that he can identify that which biochemistry of the plant or the fungi or the sera or the vaccines, all those things which we prepare from the plant sources and vegetable sources it is mainly it deals with the sources of drug, from the which source we prepare and which part of the drug material or the which part of the plant which we taken as a drug, so that the identification of a drug can be done by a pharmacologist, and the science which deals with the identification of drugs is known as a pharmacognosy. The second term, which is a pharmaconomy. What is it? Pharmaconomy, the science which deals with the route of administration, means which route we taken administration for the medicine administered into the patient. Such science is belongs to the pharmaconomy. So route of administration is the science which deals with the route of administration is known as pharmaconomy. Pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics we discussed before. Pharmacopoeia, it is the term, means pharmacopoeia is nothing but it is a book. Which book? Where we discuss all the sources, preparation, standardization of a well-proved medicine. So pharmacopoeia is the first thing we should know about, that it is a book. It is a book which contain vividly description regarding what? Regarding our four things which we always require, that is sources, then preparation, standardization of well proved medicine. This book is known as pharmacopoeia. Abnormal tendency means the person or the patient or the individual always try to take anything or any medicine without taking any prescription of a physician. Such person is called as pharmacomania. That the person has a abnormal tendency towards the medicine. Pharmacopraxy, what does it mean? The branch of pharmacology which deals with the preparation of a medicine. How we prepare a medicine goes under this science. That preparation of a medicine goes under the pharmacopraxy science. Then last thing is a toxicological. Its name itself says that it is a poisonous effect of a drug substance. Toxicology, it is the effect. It is a effect. Which effect? Poisonous. It is the poisonous effect of it is effect of a poisonous substance, poisonous drug substances which used for diagnosis and treatment. Means when we diagnose a person or when we treat a patient, the effect which is a poisonous means the aggravation like effect is known as toxicological effect of that drug. Last one, that is our mother tincture. Mother tincture is nothing but it is the original tincture prepared from aid of alcohol. Aid means addition of alcohol directly from crude substance, drug which is secured from any substance, any sources, secured from any source. They are prepared according to the means the mother tincture are prepared according to the homeopathic technique which is discussed technique in the HPI, that is pharmacopoeia technique, TECINQE technique, retaining all medicinal properties of the drug. That is the mother tincture. Mother tincture is a original tincture which prepared by the addition of alcohol directly from crude drug, secured from any sources, Secured means the sources which we used before to mother tincture, that sources is not purely in source form. Means if we take a leaf for the preparation of a medicine, then in the mother tincture form of the leaf is not a structure of leaf is not maintained. That is secured from any source. They are prepared according to the homeopathic technique, retaining all medicinal properties of the drug. That is the important line. That is, medicinal properties of the drug should be retained in the mother tincture. So that mother tincture itself say that the material of the crude material are present in the mother tincture form. In the succeeding potency, the material form is lost successively, but in mother tincture the material form of the drug is present.